Welcome everyone. Today we'll start another topic that is Blackman's law. ये भी एक फोटोसिंथेसिस का प्रोसेस में आता है या फिर उसका एक लॉ है. हालांकि ये लॉ एक लिमिटिंग फैक्टर का लॉ है विच सिंपली सेज कि अगर कोई एक भी कंडीशन मेट नहीं होगा तो वो प्रोसेस नहीं हो पाएगा. सपोज एक प्रोसेस है जो मल्टीपल फैक्टर पे डिपेंड करता है और उसमें से कोई भी एक फैक्टर अगर कम है तो वो प्रोसेस नहीं हो पाएगा. दैट इज व्हाट अ ब्लैकमैन्स लॉ इज. सिंपली it is simply saying if a process, any biological process if you take is influenced by multiple factors, the rate of that process is limited by the factor that is present in the smallest. So the rate of taking that specific process will be limited or will be stopped or will not continue further if any one of the factor is not there. So for example, this is a law of limiting factor. For example, if let's say a plant which is doing photosynthesis. So photosynthesis depend on many criteria, right? It depends on the chlorophyll presence, it depends on the light, carbon dioxide and temperature, right? So if you're providing 100% light, 80% temperature, but you're only providing 10% carbon dioxide, then here carbon dioxide acts as a limiting factor. As the carbon dioxide is very less, so once the carbon dioxide utilized, the photosynthesis will stop. It will not go further. So that's what it is saying. If any one factor will not be in accurate amount, then the process will stop. This can also be represented in a form of a graph. So let's say, for example, if I take a graph over here, or should I take another sheet? Take another sheet, yeah, better. So if I just draw a graph over here. So here if I write the rate of photosynthesis and what rate the photosynthesis is proceeding, and in this at the x-axis if I take carbon dioxide concentration. So carbon dioxide concentration is optimal, right? But let's say if intensity of light will be less. So if I draw a graph like this, so higher point represents high light. If you have good amount of light, photosynthesis rate will be high. If you have moderate amount of light, so photosynthesis will also be go with the moderate rate. And if you have a very few or low light intensity, then the photosynthesis rate will also low. So I hope the Blackman's law is clear. One question being asked in the AWES exam, it's a previous PYQ, जिसमें ये पूछा गया था कि find the mismatch. So उसमें बस ये पूछा गया था कि जो Blackman's law है क्या ये associated है limiting factor से or not. So yeah, it is associated with limiting factor. ये question frame था last year, so I think in some PYQ. So for that I bring this. Okay, so I hope all the best. I wish you all the best for your preparation, and if you want to know any topic or if you want any help, you can please comment. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and thank you. We'll meet again.